This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting your Android to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This gives your phone an IP and internet route for messages. Once connected, make sure mobile data is off if you want Wi-Fi only, and check battery-saving modes are disabled. Install or update a texting app that supports Wi-Fi messaging, RCS, Google Messages, or a third-party app. This first step sets the transport layer. Without a working network and compatible app, you can't proceed to send messages over Wi-Fi. Now you configure the app to use Wi-Fi as the message path. Open Settings and enable RCS or chat features if available. These use data over Wi-Fi for richer texting. Grant permissions for SMS, contacts, and network access so the app can send and receive. Make the app the default SMS handler when required. This ensures fallback to carrier SMS when needed. Also check advanced settings for send/receive over Wi-Fi or prefer Wi-Fi roaming. This controls how the app chooses network interfaces. Finally, compose and send a text to confirm Wi-Fi delivery. Watch for a delivered or read indicator. If it fails, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on, restart the messaging app, or switch to mobile data briefly to force registration with carrier services. Also reboot the phone if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm your carrier and app support Wi-Fi or RCS texting. Some carriers restrict Wi-Fi SMS, so enabling RCS or using an internet-based messenger can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.